Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel Multiple Things or Ultimate Talent. This is Ikram Chauhan and this is Ravi Soni.
Hi friends.
So today we are talking about some martial art self-defense technique. So let's get started. So first thing you have to do is, when the punch is coming, move away from the punch quickly. When the punch is coming, block his hand with your right hand and you have to grab like this. When the punch is coming, you have to block and grab and punch on his face. Let me show you one more time. Block, grab, and you have to punch. When the punch is coming from your left side, you have to block and you have to punch like this. Either you can block with your left hand or your right hand. It's depend on you. Punch, block, and punch. And the second one is the side punch. When the side punch is coming, you gotta hit. What you have to do is bring your hand on your head like this. When the punch is coming, bring your hand and you have to hit the elbow in his chest. When the side punch is coming from your left, you have to bring your hand on your head. When the punch is coming, you have to block and you have to hit the elbow in his chest. And he will not be able to fight with you anymore. Let me show you one more time. When the punch is coming, like this, and hit the elbow in his chest. And the third one is uppercut. When the punch is coming, you are hit. Remember, you have to move away from the punch quickly, like this. And you can do this also. When the punch is coming, block with your hand to your opponent's hand, like this. Block his hand and you can hit the knee in his stomach and you can hit the elbow. When the uppercut is coming, you have to block, hit like this. When the uppercut is coming from your left, what you have to do? When the uppercut is coming, you have to block his hand. Then you can do anything. And the fourth one is when your opponents kick you like this, you gotta hit. What you have to do is, when he kick, you have to block his kick with your left leg. When he kick, you have to block with your feet. So, when your opponents kick you in your front like this, you gotta hit and it's very hurting and painful for you. Then what you have to do is, you have to use your palm to block his leg. When the leg is coming, you have to block. You can do this also. When he kicks you, you have to move away and you have to kick on his knee. When the kick is coming, you have to move away and you have to kick. When the leg is coming, you have to move away. The other side. When the kick is coming, you have to move away and you have to kick. Thanks for watching this, guys. I will try to provide you the basic self-defense techniques. If you want to learn more like this, then you have to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you soon with another video. Jai Hind.